Susan Berman helped Robert Durst cover up what happened to Kathleen. The idea that she calls this medical school, pretending to be Kathy, pretending that Kathy is still alive, and then she goes around telling people this, or in so many words, suggesting this. Where is the jury at this point?
Right. It's certainly difficult to be able to pin what are her motives, right? Is she someone who's an accomplice? Is she helping out the defendant? Did the defendant love her, and they did this? Or is she someone who's going around town, telling everyone about what possibly could be, and that's why the defendant ultimately, possibly or allegedly murdered her. So really, it's difficult to tell. What is her motive? What is she doing? Is she doing this out of the admiration that she has for the defendant, or is she just so frantic about it that she can't keep quiet about it? So ultimately, it's difficult to be able to ascertain exactly what it is that her motive is. And the prosecution hasn't really given an explanation as to that either. The prosecution hasn't reconciled these two conflicting motives, possibly from the victim here. And so ultimately, it's difficult for the jury to piece it together.
Weird relationship, trying to understand what ultimately happened between these two. And again, is the question. The question is, did Robert Durst murder his good friend Susan Berman? That's what we're all trying to figure out. So let's play a little bit more of this testimony from yesterday.